Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered what secrets it holds? Our journey begins thousands of years ago, when the earliest humans looked up at the heavens, their minds filled with awe and curiosity. The night sky, a boundless canvas of stars, served as a map for ancient mariners, guiding them across vast, uncharted oceans. It was more than just a tool for navigation. It was a source of inspiration, of mystery, of contemplation. As civilizations evolved, so did our understanding of the cosmos. The ancient Greeks, for instance, were pioneers in astronomy, developing intricate models to explain the movement of celestial bodies. The most groundbreaking of these was the heliocentric model proposed by Nicolaus Copernicus in the 16th century. This model, which placed the sun at the center of our solar system, challenged centuries of geocentric thought and forever changed our perspective of the universe. But the true birth of modern astronomy came with the invention of the telescope. Galileo Galilei, an Italian scientist, was the first to point a telescope towards the sky and document his observations. What he discovered was nothing short of revolutionary. He found moons orbiting Jupiter, proving that not everything revolved around the Earth. This revelation not only supported Copernicus's heliocentric model, but also planted the seeds for a new era of discovery. These early explorations were driven by a hunger for knowledge, a desire to understand our place in the universe. Each discovery, each revelation built on the work of those who came before, forming a tapestry of human achievement that spans centuries. We've come a long way since those early days of stargazing and celestial navigation. From the simple act of looking up, we've launched satellites, sent humans to the moon, and even sent probes beyond our solar system. Indeed, the curiosity of our ancestors paved the way for the era of space exploration. Today, as we stand on the threshold of new discoveries and explorations, we are reminded of the power of human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. The night sky, once a source of mystery, is now a testament to our capacity for wonder and our unyielding quest to understand the universe. Fast forward to the 20th century, the stage was set for the most compelling race ever, the space race. This was not a race of athletes on a track, but of superpowers in the vast expanse of space. It was a head-to-head competition between the United States and the Soviet Union, each vying to prove their technological prowess and ideological superiority. The space race officially kicked off with the launch of Sputnik 1 by the Soviet Union on October 4, 1957. This was the world's first artificial satellite, a metal sphere that circled the Earth and transmitted radio signals back to the ground. It was a small step for a satellite, but a giant leap for mankind. The United States, not to be outdone, launched their own satellite, Explorer 1, just a few months later in January 1958. This ignited a series of firsts: the first living creature in space, the first man, the first woman, the first spacewalk. Each achievement marked a new milestone in this interstellar competition. But perhaps the crowning glory of the space race was when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, part of NASA's Apollo 11 mission, set foot on the moon on July 20, 1969. The famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," were heard around the world, signifying the United States' victory in the space race. And yet, even after the moon landing, space exploration didn't stop. The Voyager missions launched in the 1970s were a testament to this enduring curiosity. These unmanned spacecraft provided unprecedented information about our solar system, capturing close-up images of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and even sending back sounds from space. The space race not only expanded our understanding of the cosmos, but also led to technological advancements that benefit us till today. From satellite television to GPS navigation, the impact of this extraordinary period of competition and exploration continues to resonate in our everyday lives. So, as we look to the stars, we remember the space race, a remarkable chapter in our shared human history. From the first manned moon landing to now planning manned missions to Mars, we have come a long way, haven't we? Indeed, the landscape of space exploration has dramatically transformed over the decades. Today, not only government-run space agencies like NASA, the European Space Agency or ESA, and the Indian Space Research Organization or ISRO are at the forefront of space exploration, but also private companies like SpaceX are playing an increasingly significant role. Take a moment to consider the Mars rover missions. These autonomous vehicles have been our eyes on the red planet, giving us unprecedented views of Mars' landscape and helping us better understand our celestial neighbor. The perseverance and ingenuity of these rovers have been nothing short of awe-inspiring, opening up a whole new world of possibilities. Then there's the International Space Station, or ISS, an icon of international cooperation and a beacon of human ingenuity. Orbiting the Earth every 90 minutes, the ISS serves as a home where astronauts conduct groundbreaking research, contributing to our understanding of life in space. And let's not forget the ambitious plans for manned missions to Mars. From NASA's Artemis program, aiming to land the first woman and the next man on the moon by the mid-2020s as a stepping stone for future Mars missions, to SpaceX's Starship designed to make life multiplanetary, the race is on to conquer the final frontier. These endeavors signal a new era of space exploration where boundaries are constantly being pushed and our understanding of the universe is continually expanding. As we venture further into space, we're not only exploring new worlds, but also discovering more about our own. As we stand on the brink of interplanetary travel, we can't help but marvel at the journey so far and look forward to the future with anticipation. The universe is vast, and its secrets are waiting to be unraveled. As we continue to explore, who knows what amazing discoveries await us out there in the cosmos. So, are you ready to take a trip down memory lane and revisit the key points we discussed today? Let's step back in time and remember how it all began. The early days of space exploration were filled with awe and wonder as mankind first ventured beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Then came the era of the space race, a thrilling period of competition and discovery as nations vied to prove their prowess and reach the moon. In our modern times, space exploration has evolved into a collaborative effort. We've seen incredible developments like the International Space Station and groundbreaking missions to Mars. And let's not forget about the future plans with ambitious projects like manned missions to Mars and the quest for extraterrestrial life. The journey is far from over. Remember, each star in the night sky is a reminder of our journey so far and a beacon of what lies ahead. Keep looking up.